Fufa's planet.
Hello friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion! Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe! 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 I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant! Elephant! The elephant is huge! Elephant! Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey! Monkey! Monkeys are so funny! Monkey! There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla! Gorilla! Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla! Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile! 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 What else have we got here? A rhinoceros! Rhinoceros! My, look at that horn! Rhinoceros! Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger! 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 Let's keep searching for animals. Over here! A zebra! Zebra! Zebra stripes are so cool! Zebra! Let's see if there's another animal around. A wolf! Wolf! I love wolves! Wolf! I think there's one more animal around here. A bear! Bear! How big is that bear? Bear! Have you seen how many animals are there? Let's recap so you won't forget them. Lion. Giraffe. Elephant. Monkey. Gorilla. Crocodile. Rhinoceros. Tiger. Zebra. Wolf. Bear. That's all, friends. I think it's time to go back home.
Hey kids, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.
Woohoo!